you're not for wanting to keep what's yours in divorce. But if you have the attitude of what's mine is mine, then you might be in for a rude awakening. That's exactly what Mark is asking about. Dear Wolfe and Shore, my wife and I are separating. I've worked hard and everything. My car, my 401k, the house is in my name. She says she's entitled to half of everything, and now she wants me to split credit card debt that I didn't even rack up. Am I being an for thinking she shouldn't get what she didn't earn? So Mark, if you're confused about who gets what, especially when it comes to debt, property, and what's fair, I'm going to break down how Connecticut handles division of assets and debts and how to protect what's actually yours. I'm Kristen Wolfe with Wolfe Shore Law Group. I'm a family law attorney here in the state of Connecticut. Here at Wolfe Shore Law Group, we help our clients get through a divorce with clarity and confidence so that they can come out with as little drama as possible. All right, Mark, let's talk about what really happens to property and debt in divorce in Connecticut. So Mark, you're not an for wanting to protect what you worked for, but what you might not be thinking about is this. Connecticut is an equitable distribution state. Equitable distribution means that everything that has been acquired or gained value during your marriage is on the table and subject to division regardless of whose name is on it. I want you to put yourself in her shoes. Maybe she stayed home with the kids, or maybe she wasn't as high of an income earner as you, but she did contribute to the marriage in other ways, at least theoretically. So under that theory, she should be entitled to at least what is fair for her and fair for you. The court looks at marriage as a partnership, not just a simple transaction. We see these situations all the time, and here's how it really works. Number one, all assets are reviewed, whether or not they are titled in one person's name, both persons' name, or not. If it was acquired during the marriage, it's fair game. That includes retirement accounts, homes, vehicles, and even stock options. Number two, debts are divided too. Yes, even if the credit card is only in her name, that debt could still be divided through divorce. The court is going to look at whether or not the debt was accrued during the marriage and whether or not it is equitable to be split. Number three, the court looks at what's fair, not what's equal. Remember, equitable distribution does not mean equal distribution. The court considers many factors, some of which are the length of the marriage, the contribution of one party versus another, whether it's financial or otherwise, the earning capacity of both of the parties, and the future needs of both of the parties. Number four, prenups definitely help, but not always. So if you intended to have a prenup and you signed it, great, good for you. If your name is on the document and you didn't sign it or it wasn't drafted correctly, probably not going to be considered. Number five, you can negotiate the terms. Look, you don't have to let a judge decide what's equitable in your situation. You can negotiate it either through attorneys, through the both of you, with the help of a mediator, or through collaborative divorce. You choose your own ending. Look, here at Wolfe Shore Law Group, we help people with the division of assets through divorce all the time. We're going to give it to you straight. We're going to tell you how we think it's going to end up and help you to navigate the system so that you don't have to have a judge decide your fate. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't, but it all starts by getting your questions answered. So give us a call at 203-745-3151 or visit our website at www.wolfenshorelaw.com.